The deadline to file your taxes has been pushed back to May 17th, in case you haven't heard, but it still might not be enough time to help people who have a tax bill due. Alicia Nieves shows you what other options you have, including ways that you can get the IRS to forgive much of your tax bill.
Fewer people have filed their taxes so far this year compared to last. Experts say many are putting off dealing with taxes after the financial impact of 2020.
Just looking at the circumstances, you anticipate it's probably millions.
That's millions of people who lost their job, had to claim unemployment, and now owe the taxes on unemployment benefits over $10,200. Or people who had to pull out money from their retirement plans to survive. They may have avoided a 10% penalty under the CARES Act provision, but now owe the traditional taxes on that income. Bob Probasco heads a tax clinic at Texas A&M University.
It is, with rare exceptions, almost always best to just go ahead and file, even if you can't pay.
There are two reasons for that. First,
when you can't pay, you will be hit with some penalties and interest, inevitably because of that. But if you also don't file, the IRS will penalize you up to 5% a month for the first 5 months that you're late. 25% of your tax bill is pretty hefty.
The second reason to file, even if you can't pay, is it opens up your access to special and little-known IRS programs.
If you have been fairly compliant with your tax returns as far as filing and paying on time, but this year you can't, the IRS has a program called First-Time Penalty Abatement, and they will wipe the penalty off.
There are even programs that will wipe out almost all of your actual tax bill.
I've had clients that owed $40,000, and recently they couldn't pay anything at all, and the IRS agreed to accept the dollar.
The key to accessing this help is being proactive. File your taxes before the deadline and seek help from a tax professional. You can access a list of these free tax clinics like Probasco's by going directly to the IRS website and to the Taxpayer Advocate Service tab. There are more than 100 of these free clinics around the country. I'm Alicia Nieves reporting.